We put everything in our Airbnb, settled in for the most part, and now we're headed to the grocer because we need to get some water and food. Ooh, we found a pomegranate tree. At least that's what we think it is. Take me to the beach, yeah. Beautiful. It's the wind. Oh, it's refreshing.
I feel like I can lay on it.
There goes DC. He's off and running. This was our pit stop on our way to the grocery store. Oh, it's so beautiful. Y'all just want to just sit and stare at this. The breeze is glorious. It's a nice warm breeze, fresh air. The water looks beautiful. Man, look how clear the beach is. We just need a beach blanket and we're good. Gelato time.
Go ahead, who wants to go first? Go.
You don't like yours?
It's sour.
You got sour lemon? We got all sorts of flavors. Are they all good, y'all?
They're mostly all close to lemon.
Mine is totally melting. What'd you get? You got a Big Daddy. What has been your favorite gelato flavor thus far?
Lemon.
What has been your favorite gelato flavor?
I don't know the name of it.
I know movie, but I don't know movie name.
It was like a bit. It was like a parfait ice cream.
The berry one?
Mhm.
What has been your favorite flavor so far?
Coconut.
Probably strawberry.
What?
Probably. Let's just go with strawberry.
Berry, strawberry.
Popcorn.
Oh, the popcorn was yummy. What has been your favorite flavor so far?
Lemon.
What's been your favorite flavor so far?
Lemon? I'm not copying. It's just really good.
What has been your favorite? Lemon. Wow. What has been your favorite?
Told you.
Mango and strawberry.
Mine is lemon.
And what has been your favorite?
Lemon.
There you have it. Lemon is the most popular gelato flavor for this family. That popcorn one, when the first place we went to, was tasty though. But it's a very unique flavor you won't find everywhere. Lemon is a good one for sure. Melon, I like melon too. Melon is, the fruit ones are really delightful, refreshing. And that is that for gelato. Believe me, you will see more of gelato. Now let's continue on to the grocery because we got sidetracked with the beach and gelato. Now we really need to get some water and food. Let's go. Ooh, I wish I could take one of these home. One of my favorite herbs.
Mommy, can we get
Yeah, choose a good one.
They have basil.
Hey, where are you going to put it?
Yeah, it smells good. They sell extra virgin olive oil by the caseload, y'all. Whew. I bet that's delicious.
Delicious. You want to drink it?
Yeah, olive oil is good for you, y'all. They sell crustless bread. The snack section is huge in the US, not here in Europe. 2 cartloads full. We're set. That's layer 1. We got 2 layers worth. We also got these.
How much we paid?
What are they called?
Hash brown.
Okay.
It's a supply. Go with the I. That's how it's spelled.
What?
There's a little rice stuck in it.
Okay, enjoy. Hey, enjoy.
Ooh. Sandwich. These don't look good.
How do they make it so crispy?
I know the crust is delightful. All the pizzas we've had, the crust has just been perfect crunch. Which one do you think is the best? The Parmesan? She called this one the Parmesan.
It has mac and cheese inside.
These don't have sauce.
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah. This is the 4.7 restaurant.
I love it.
Let me eat it.
These are tuna sandwiches. They have tuna inside. This one
We've got the pesto sauce on it.
has tuna and arugula. We're basically trying all of the flavors.
This is so good.
Which one? The Parmesan? You like the Parmesan? It has like cheesiness inside. The bread is really crispy. Oh, it's delightful.
What, they put french fries on their pizza. What are you talking
Is
about?
olive considered fruit?
Actually, yeah.
This is the outside at night sunset. These lights just turned on. The sunset. Here's a tour of the backyard. Looks really pretty on the camera. Here's the shower. What are you guys looking at down here? Who's in there?
It's actually really cool.
You locked him down there.
So this is the outfit. It lost its trunk, whatever you call it.
Tusk?
Tusk. And also lost its ear.
This is
And
the only statue we'll show you. The rest are not good kids. You guys want to eat on this table? Oh, it's the actual paper.
It looks pretty from far away. Don't look too closely.
Yes, notice. Are you okay?
They don't even care.
Those little bunnies.
We're gonna round out this day with a goodbye and good night. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in this world. And as always, we send you our love and appreciation. Bye-bye. Mwah.